Morning guys, today on Tools and Build we're going to talk about a tool that not everybody has but should have. They're not expensive and it's useful. Did you ever have those little jobs that you gotta take this little piece out? And it's simple, but you can take that little piece out because you don't have the right tools to fit in, take the little screws out, those little bolts out, so you gotta take all the surrounding parts around that little part that you need to take out. Well, this is what I have, and it saved time and a lot of anger on myself because sometimes I gotta fix something small and I need a little tiny screwdriver just to take that piece out, and I just can't do it because all the tools I have is big, so it frustrates me. So I found this, and when I found it, I bought it. First is this little piece from dewalt. It is quite simple to use. This, and then there's this little angle drill that I bought off Canadian Tire that you could put in any drill. And then there's this little like a ratchet set, and I'll show you how to use them, and it's quite very easy. So these three little tools should be in your toolbox. Okay. This is the first one I'm going to show. It's dewalt. Has a little Phillip here, and you can change the bit. And the only thing is you need a little screwdriver. Just put it here, push it out, like so, and it comes out. Then you replace whatever one you want, and it goes in. And it fits in very small areas. It's about an inch. You put it into the drill, and then as you can see, it turns. So if you're in a tight place, you can move it around and drill. And then you have this one. Also the same concept, 9 degrees, tight place. So if you have to make holes in between two pieces of wood or a car frame without moving anything else, you clip it onto the drill, you tighten it, you could move in any direction you want, and you can see it moves. And then the other one is manual. This one I use a lot. It's a little ratchet. It comes with these little sockets that you can put it here. You have your little Phillip, Robinson, flathead. You have a little Alaki set. You can do it by hand. There's also the reverse front. You can also put any socket, and you have about an inch and a half clearness. So whenever you have something tight that you can't pull a full screwdriver in, you can use any of these little gadgets. These are something that you should have in your toolbox. It saves a lot of time, and it saves me anger because I get frustrated because I know the piece is just there and you gotta take the whole assembly out just for that. So today's little video is these little gadgets, which I find they're not expensive, and they're useful. I've used them plenty of times. Especially on any dashes, car dashes, you gotta take some little parts out. When I'm redoing a wall and I have to pass some wires, this little thing made it easy to make holes. So if you find these little gadgets anywhere, I recommend you buy them. They're not expensive. I think the most expensive one here was $30. You should buy it because it's gonna save a lot of time in the future projects. Well, that's all for my video today. Hope you liked it. If you did, please press like. Any questions, please ask, and tell your friends and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good one.